Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona wewe Mombali nanga Atalia mama yake kama naye
Neba nange
Katonda wamanyi Katonda waki
akawumbika embooko
Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe
Germany say we cut up the garlic because they say garlic and anchovy by LGBT.
Say wala? Me no hear good.
Garlic and anchovy by LGBT.
Masa, me no hear good. Say it slowly.
Garlic and anchovy by LGBT. Germany say we cut up the garlic because they say garlic and anchovy by LGBT.
Noah, don't hear me calling him. Noah!
Yes, bossy.
Don't you hear me calling you?
Yes, bossy, but true me did do something wrong, me did afraid to make you see me.
I can always see you. Now confess what you did.
Saturday, March 15, me take up myself, so me I go a 131-10, 101 Avenue, South Richmond Hill, Queens, New York.
Why?
My God, Twin Paul presents in black and white ball. It's a cuisine inclusive event, plus them gonna have free drinks side door. And bossy, you know say the freeness I go catch me.
What else?
Music by Glamour Wayne, DJ Rice, Steely Bashment, red carpet by Johnny British. Bossy the event at 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. in the morning.
All right.
Admission tickets pre-sold at $50, $60 door. Event hosted by Rich Kid TC.
Noah, Twin Paul a good youth, so you know I would send you to his party. You didn't have to be afraid to tell me.
Really, bossy? So that means I could have confessed to other things what me do?
Of course. Go ahead.
Bossy, between me and you, Twin Paul asks if me want to because them up in New York and me tell him say yes.
That sounds good, Noah.
Every time me see tickers feel me kin catch a fire. Two of me think about tickers more while me not even remember boy.
A lie.
All me think about tickers morning, tickers noon, tickers night.
All right. Apart from thickers, what else you want to tell me, Noah?
Well, me did end up sell couple of animal them from the ark so me can buy my black and white suit for the party.
Simple thing that, Noah.
I hope you're not vexed when me tell you the next part.
No, Noah, you're good, man.
Remember I bought them for you, come me tell you so me couldn't find.
Yes.
I did sell them so me could have a money for floss side party.
Aujourd'hui aussi c'est un autre jour.
Anything sweet you? When so are you? Are you gonna talk to me, baby? With my sexy leg like this. Show me out. You sexy. Hey, forward. Say rewind. What's that? Say forward. Forward. Say forward, brother. Let me sing again. Say forward. Forward. Give me now. Lord, I pray. I honor your name. Deliver your mercy. Whenever you call. Hey! I will read by quarter. Hello? Memories only.
Oh, so? Yeah. Yes.
Oing ball.
He said when the girl and the girl say bah, the girl about.
Pick up this lady I get her lift, right? So she a Christian. We could have seen it pan her too. She look holy. Anyway, so me did with her now and nah like I change her one gear in the car and my hand touch her leg still, you see me? But my hand touch her leg, it feel good, so I smile and look pan her. I'm all here do man say Matthew 7 verse 7. You know me take my hand off her same time. And when me read through, me look and read and it say ask and it shall be given. If I did ever know.
When we can't eat our mango at Jamaica, we use wash face. Wash head too. Wash head too. Everywhere with mango to our mango enough out there. We can't hungry. We use mango do everything out there. We can't hungry. Could they? Huh? Mango do that.
Tell the people them say, I want the fish so big, so till the tail hang off out of it. The people they make sure say tail hang off out of it. But look on the fish. The fish look all hungry and thirsty at the same time. Oh God, man. What a little If you throw back them singing and I see you and then catch them, you know. It's a wickedness. Me say I want the fish so big until it hang off out of your plate. The people they make sure say the tail hang off for me say, but the fish no big. This not right.
Morning. Good morning. Speak a little louder, please. Good morning. Good morning. Everybody close your eyes and drop your wallet on the ground. We sing our Father. Man shall not live by bread alone, but by bread and cheese or lunch and meat. Or lasagna. Actually, if you eat dry bread, it don't make sense to me. Because Jesus had bread. Not even one time
More see this.
Positive, sure. You know I stand by it. You look good. That's it. Please still are offering what? You see? Looking.
Jesus Christ. Afraid of you. Afraid of you.
When me down here for drop asleep, me hear the bed spring I go. Curr, curr, curr. I say wait, when me look round, rotted Michael, he and Mary sagling on my brethren. And me say backside and get through, man. Me no feel no way now, right? Alright. And the man down brethren and come out and saggle. And we throw away, drop asleep. Lord my God. You see, by there, the near feel like me, brethren. Me feel a foot, a touch me. When me look again, Michael and Mary Sagla again, 2 times per night and me not get nothing yet. And me get jealous, you know, Rasta. And say, no man. The man can't see me, my woman and him get 1 piece already. And but me forget to me little piece no anything in my morning. And the man 2 times and me get jealous and me say, yeah, you my brethren. Me case don't make me get to me, you know, Rasta. Man say alright. When him done and come out of the woman's saddle, me I go over. The girl lock up in Rasta and turn around on the inside and say, you must think me a donkey. You say what? So hold on. You making ride you 2 times and you know what I do? He lock up in foot. And me say listen, it now go say no. 1 right hand, 1 left hand. The girl rail up out of the bed and jump off of the bed and bolt me door and get up out the door in a rasta. Saying, Michael couldn't say nothing. Cause I know this it not fair. But some man crib man and him man now look out for me now after me I look out for him. Right? The man want get all the sweetness. Yeah, man. One night and me not forget nothing.
Drive out with the brand new BTW. Backstruck wagon. What? Like it 12 o'clock, son? Nah, man. Me have to tap around one place, around one part, and drink one I bag of juice special. What's your road? Out there. No worry yourself. Thank God for Chinese.
Yo, Percy.
Yeah.
You know, so me have sitting for ask about my afraid for ask you.
Are you being afraid?
Yes, man, me afraid for ask you.
Ask me anything, man.
Where you go?
I don't like back a yard, me I go every peel them.
Where you go do with them go do?
He say, take 2 and keep away from children. So me I go take it 2 and go down round the back a yard. Stand for the picnic then.
Lord Jesus Savior. Boy, me I tell you. You go mad me, man?
We do it.
Eh?
But they say take 2 and keep away from children.
You have sense?
So me I keep away from them. Me I pass the goat pen and go way down in the back of the land go.
Me say if you have sense.
Spend the night.
You have sense? No, no, so they mean.
So what they mean?
They mean say you put away the pill out of the children they reach because it is dangerous for them.
But I know that they never say that. If it be more specific, you going to say keep away from. So I think I made them say keep away.
Man, tap your foolishness.
They never write it on it.
Tap your nonsense. I'm tired of you.
You go take them and go down the back of the
Go along, you idiot. Go on.
Down them and sleep.
You say if you go along, go on. Idiot.
Where's Susie? Susie! Aye, what go on, man in there? Me alright, huh? But me there foreign, me and them Hamlet. You know Hamlet? When they put the egg have a whole heap of thing in there. And the bread, you know, so they slice the bread already for you. When you guys supermarket, they slice the bread, man. And I know she found butter, but it tastes alright. A foreign same thing. The look of coffee, you know, too. You know, it tastes like food with coffee, but it's alright. Yes, mama. Why the Hamlet is bad, me don't know why you know, eat all kind of vegetable and sin.